Alrighty. 1998 Toyota Corolla VE. Hood, aerosol can, paint job. So we're going all the way back to day one. Remember that day one video? This hood hadn't had anything done for 26 years. It was pitted, clear coat flaking off, down in bare metal in some spots. Well, here we are, up and close. That final Duplicolor paint done, and I'm liking it. My practice with that Ford Ranger, the learning vehicle there, you might catch that on my other uploads of that, you know, from rocker panel repair and, you know, all that. Anyway, years of practicing on that has got me to the stage of being able to, at least in my opinion, put on some color on this car. And now I'm going to keep practicing with the rattle can. So, moment of truth has arrived. I'm going to be using this 2K Spray Max Clear Glamour 3680061. Activation is a 2K pure, so the hardener you got the actual clear coat inside, and then you got the hardener, but you have to mix it, okay? So according to directions, you put this tab is on top, you put the tab down here, and then you press to activate. And let's see. Okay. Let me, my hand is not able to do it, so I'll put it on a hard surface and see what happens. Yes! We have liftoff. So if that being said, just push it down on a hard surface and shake it up. So let's shake it up, boys and girls. Shake it up. They say shake it up for 2 minutes. Well, I've been shaking and shaking already. And I'll shake her up. So while we're shaking, let's just walk around. I was able to get the car out of the sun. I've been moving the car all over the place here to avoid the sun. And I think right now the sun coming on it is the best we can do. And the reason why I'm talking through this right now is because I am shaking the can for the prerequisite 2 minutes. Dos minutos. And looking at my handiwork. The top coat on this, base coat, top coat, was 45 minutes ago. 45. I'm talking 45, so this has had plenty of time to do whatever it's gonna do. And now just time to make her shine. I've tack clothed this thing. I've done everything to try to keep stuff out of the paint. But we'll see what happens. We will see. This is a nice little terry cloth I found. Got on my old terry cloth towel, I should say. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Plan of attack. Product's new to me, so I got to learn the product. And we'll start over in that corner. We'll start up here. Uh-oh. Bug's already finding her. I am in the grass, but that's okay. Hopefully this product will not fail me. Alright, so that's why you do a check, because we do have a breeze. I like the fan on it, pretty wide fan. see here. Not sure what you guys are seeing, but all right. Start here at the top and my goal is there's a contour right there, so I'm just hitting that contour. Let me throw on something here. Went back to throw on some kind of respirator thing. This stuff is coming out pretty heavy. Give me a second here. Alright, I'm back in action. Basically, I want to throw on a respirator. Yeah, I got breezes blowing everywhere. It's crazy. Alright, I'll just kind of wait for a second. Let things die down for a moment. So I didn't want any of that. Alright, already gone through half the can. We'll see what happens. That's the first light coat. I'll show you what it looks like up close. I'll wait 10 minutes and come back through. Hey, I'm liking it for what it's supposed to do out of an aerosol can. I'm sure it'll even up as I refine my technique. I hit that center more. Coming up this way. Okay. So, clock's ticking. We'll give her 10.